Hello, this is John for Lockdown SEO, and today I want to talk about how to get your report for organic traffic and landing pages in Google. Now, how I used to do this in analytics was you'd go to acquisition, all traffic, and then go to source medium, and then I used to go to Google Organic. So this would allow you to filter by a second dimension, which would be landing page. And that would give you all the top pages by Google Organic. So these were the pages that people were entering by organic traffic. But since the old Google Analytics no longer works and no longer processes data, and everything is ported over to GA4, we have to do it a different way now. So this was a very useful report, and I used to rely on this a lot, but we have to do it a little bit differently now, and I will show you exactly how to do that right now. Okay, so how we're getting this analytics report now in Google Analytics in GA4 is we go to reports, go to engagement, go to pages and screens, and you'll see it has pages and screens, page path, and screen class. And I set this already. Normally it's to page title and screen class. That's the default. But if you want to make it easy to follow this the way that you used to, you'd go to page path and screen class. So this is the URL. So if you go to event count, it has all events. So it's basically all the views of this page. But we want to just get from organic Google. So we set this to session start. So these are all the pages where people came in on this page where they came in, because that's what we want. We want the landing page part. So this still doesn't give us by organic Google. So what we want to do is set it to that. So we go up to here, and what we want to do is add a comparison. So what we're going to do is session default channel group, and the match type exactly matches organic search. And we could do this also if you do source medium, if you do organic Google and type it like this, but we'll just do organic search because most of these are going to be Google anyway. So if we apply this, then the orange is the number. That's the number of people that are coming in on organic. So you can see that that orange number now gives us the number that we're looking for. Landing page by organic search. But let's see if we can do this by Google. That could be something that we could do. So what we would do to get the Google number, session source medium. So exactly matches Google Organic. So if we apply that, then we can see that other number here. So in here, it's the green number. That's Google Organic. So this is, you can get the difference of all the other ones. So Google Organic is this number here, which is pretty close to the all organic. But that's how you would get the Google Organic search. So that's all the people that are coming in for this time period by that source. So if you want to do a comparison of a time period, you would go here to click on the date, and then you turn on the compare switch. So A lot of you that started GA4 like this year, you probably wouldn't have 1 year ago yet, but you could do from the same period. Let's see what happens if we do same period last year. Okay, versus same period last year. Oh, I actually was recording last year. So you can see if it went up or down. So those numbers are there for the up or down, but you could also do versus the previous period. Just like that. And then you get the numbers. So that's how you do the same thing for the landing page by organic in GA4. So I hope that that is very helpful. My name is John Locke. My business is Lockedown SEO. And if you need help with SEO, give us a call, contact us. And that's all I have for now.